Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the QJ Motor SRK400, a new contender in the 400cc motorcycle market. This Chinese machine promises good looks, thrilling performance, and a competitive price tag. But can it deliver? Let's find out. Engine and performance. Footage of the SRK400 engine and rider exhilarating. The heart of the SRK400 is a 400cc, liquid-cooled, twin-cylinder engine. Now, that might not sound earth-shattering on paper, but here's the kicker, this thing packs a punch. We're talking 41 horsepower and 36 Nm of torque, which translates to some seriously fun acceleration, especially for beginners and city riders. It's not a fire-breathing monster, but it's definitely got some pep in its step. The downside? The gearbox. While it gets the job done, it can feel a bit clunky at times, especially compared to some of the Japanese competition. It might take some getting used to, but it shouldn't be a deal-breaker. Design and handling. Footage of the SRK400 from various angles. Looks are subjective, but there's no denying the SRK400 has a head-turning presence. The sharp lines, exposed trellis frame, and minimalist tail section give it a sporty, aggressive feel. Some might say it borrows a bit too much from a certain Japanese brand, but hey, inspiration isn't always a bad thing. Now, handling is a bit of a mixed bag. The lightweight frame makes it easy to maneuver through city traffic, and the upright riding position is comfortable for everyday commutes. However, push it a bit harder into corners, and you might feel some limitations. The stock tires aren't the grippiest, and the suspension could use some fine-tuning for a truly sporty experience. Unique selling points and considerations. Footage of the SRK400 dashboard and rider viewpoint. So, what sets the SRK400 apart? Here's the big one, the price. Compared to established Japanese brands, the SRK400 offers a lot of motorcycle for your money. It's a fantastic option for new riders or those on a budget who still want a fun and stylish ride. However, there are some things to consider. QJ Motor is a relatively new brand, so long-term reliability is still a bit of a question mark. Additionally, their service network might not be as extensive as some competitors. Conclusion. Footage of the SRK400 cruising. So, should you buy a QJ Motor SRK400? It depends on your priorities. If raw power and top-of-the-line features are your main concerns, there might be better options. But if you're looking for a good-looking, exciting, and budget-friendly 400cc motorcycle, the SRK400 is definitely worth a test ride. It's a solid entry for QJ Motor, and with some refinements, could become a major player in this segment. Outro. Upbeat music. Well, that's all we have time for today. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of the QJ Motor SRK400. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this new motorcycle, and what other bikes you'd like to see reviewed next. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more motorcycle content, and until next time, ride safe.